Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Cloud Vertex AI for workflow orchestration, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Cloud. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Type in your email address associated with your Google Cloud account. Then, click the Next button. Next, enter your password in the password field. Click the Next button again to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the verification process. Upon successful login, you will be directed to the Google Cloud Console. In the left-hand side menu, locate the navigation menu icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Artificial Intelligence. In the Artificial Intelligence section, find and click on Vertex AI. Here, you can start creating and managing your workflows. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. If this is your first time using Vertex AI, consider reviewing the documentation provided by Google. This will help you understand the features and capabilities available to you. Now you are logged in and ready to start working with Google Cloud Vertex AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.